Hey, what happens when new calcium pieces come to the store?
Stuart weighs them and adds them to the list.
Does it use the feature append to add?
Yup.
Thought so. Besides, it'll also need a loop.
Oh, why?
Well, there could be many pieces, so Stuart will have to.
Weigh them and store it in the list one by one. Brilliant, Theo.
Thanks.
First, we start a loop having condition true.
So that it goes on and on until we break it, right?
Exactly. Then we ask the weight of the rock. Next, we add this weight to our list.
Using append.
Yeah, but let's use another feature this time. We call it insert. It allows us to add the weight at a desired index in the list.
So this adds the weight at the 0th index?
Yup. Now we ask if more weights are to be added.
No, we break the loop.
Right.
And if yes, then the loop continues and asks for new weights.
Exactly, my boy. Now you can print the list to see if the new weight is added. Let's enter 72.
I think that's enough.
Very well.
Cool!